Hi there, it's Debs at Doodle Dash in Banbury. I just wanted to show you something I've been working on and having a play with. So I like to use raised stenciling and texture in quite a lot of my projects. And normally for raised stenciling, I use normal wood filler, where I wanted to try and use something that's a bit more eco-friendly. So I thought I might try cornflour. Now, cornflour is just a natural product, which obviously thickens your baking. So I thought, well, let's give it a try in the paint, and it's actually worked really quite well. Now, it seems to have a different effect on different surfaces. So this is on a painted MDF surface, and you can see it's got quite a thin relief, but also it's crackled too. So it's almost like a crackle text rather than just raised stenciling. So this is cornflour mixed with finishing coat and then the paint added to give it some colour as well. So, and then on here, straight onto MDF, you can see really nice relief, but also fantastic crackling too. And I think with that, what's happened is the moisture is being sucked into the MDF, and that's made it crackle as it's dried too. Now over here, I tried it the other way around. I mixed the cornflour straight in with the paint and just added a bit of finishing coat to give it a smoother finish. And you see that hasn't crackled. But this is on plywood, so it could be the surface. And then here, thicker still, really, really pasty. So it seems that the different concoctions, in whichever way around you do it, and whatever surface you do it on, you get slightly different effects. So it's really worth having a play. And then the other thing I thought, well, I'm going to give it a go, are these little beauties. So we get these in our French chic packaging, and they're made of cornstarch, so exactly the same thing. So I thought, well, can we use those instead? So I've tried mixing them with the paint and the finishing coat in the same way. They don't break down as well to get this sort of smooth finish, but they do give you a really nice look for texture. And that's what I've done here. So with this, I've mixed it into wedding cake, the white paint, and then I've put the grey over the top and actually sanded it back. And you can see the amount of texture that I've got there. And then this end is actually the same, but I've actually dry brushed over it. But some really, really fantastic texture. It can be sanded. It goes really hard. It's not flaked. So I think it's a really good way of actually giving some relief on your work and just creating a completely different look. So give it a go. If you create anything amazing, show me, tag me on your posts, and show us what you get up to. Give it a try. Thanks. Bye.